Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to MTSB official channel.
MTSB Choice.
Credible,
High quality.
objective, integrity, construct, amalia, ahlu sunnah.
Excellent.
So, let me introduce myself first. My name is Mem Aulia, and here I'm with Mem Arsi.
Yeah, hello.
How's your feeling, ma'am? Are you excited for this podcast?
Of course, because we have a fantastic title.
Yeah, it's an honor for us to sit here for discussing a topic. It's about the problem and effort to resolve diversity in society. Actually, this topic it's not related with our major, but we will do the best for answer all the questions based on the literacy that we read before.
Okay, we will try with our best. Okay, Mem Aulia, what is your opinion about the problem that we will focus about the diversity in our society?
Okay, the problem that relate with diversity in Indonesia. As we know that Indonesia has a very diverse society. It's not uncommon for diversity in Indonesia that give a problem or conflict. The problem arise in the diversity of Indonesia are usually conflict between groups, races, tribes, and religions. Then why it can be happen? Because as we know that Indonesian people are very different. We have a different culture, we have different religion. So that's why one and another people have a different opinion and point of view. So the conflict can happen in our social life.
Okay, I agree with your opinion, Mem Aulia. We know that Indonesia have rich diversity. For example, the differences of every human, the differences about the religious, the culture, and social thing. So this background, the differences of this background will make someone have a different opinion in its subject.
How to prevent?
Yes.
How to prevent the conflict that relate with diversity in Indonesia? I think the first is foster a sense of love for our country and uphold the unity. And then the second is increase the mutual respect and tolerance because we are a social creature, so it's very important. We need doing that. And then the third is be kind to other people without discriminating. So it means that we must have a good communication to other people. And the last is don't impose belief and opinion to other people. But the problem is, based on the third principle of Pancasila, Indonesian unity, why hasn't it really been implemented in our social life?
Okay, for me, why this happened to our country? Because every citizen still doesn't understand about the meaning of the unity. When the citizen understand about the meaning the meaning of the unity, so they will more easy to implement it. When they are finished implemented, so we will can get the result of the harmony in life and others. So Mem Aulia, how about your opinion? That's why the national problem still happen in our country.
That relate with the first principle of Pancasila. In my opinion, I think that religions is only formality, but there's a few implementation in our life. It's proven that most of people who look so religious, but at the end, they make a conflict. Then the religious features haven't been able accompanied them in any better. So that's why the government provides certificate for all the religious feature to make sure that they are capable to do that or to accompany all the people in Indonesia.
Okay, the government have environment security such as the police and other, I think that's not only that obligation, but all citizens have obligation to save the safety of our environment. So, Ma'am Aulian?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree with you, Ma'am RC. So it's not only the security or the police or soldier, but all the citizens keep harmony. But as we know that one of the problem that happen in Indonesia that relate with diversity in Indonesia is social inequality. Because social inequality can break our unity and integrity. Why it can be happened? Because as I said before, that we have a different culture, we have different religions, so it means that we also have a different social status. So it make other people feel jealous when the social status is higher than themselves. So how do you deal with social equality?
Okay, some way to overcome the social inequality, I have 3 steps that I call E3S. For the first is starting from ourselves. So, for me, focus to ourselves. When we are focused to ourselves, so we not have time to observe the life or other human. For the second is starting for the smallest thing that can begin from that build the positive mentality in order we have not have the negative thinking to other. For the third is starting now. When we early to starting the positive thing, I think we will get the result early too.
Wow, that's really great. And hopefully we can become a person that kind of that and we can get happy and peaceful life.
Yeah, okay, amin, amin, ya Rabbal Alamin. Okay, this is the end of our present. I hope it's useful for us.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel.
Okay.
Wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.